Hello and welcome back to Up for Dinner. I'm Anna and today we're going to be cooking delicious and elegant dish that is perfect for any occasion. Spaghetti with clams or spaghetti alle vongole. This dish is bursting with flavors and surprisingly it's so easy to make. So let's just dive into it.
You gotta cook and you know you're not a chef, but the kitchen shouldn't put you to the test. So put your apron on, turn up the heat, and in a matter of minutes we'll be ready to eat. Up for dinner. You're watching up for dinner.
So the ingredients are incredibly simple as well. All we need are these absolutely delicious looking clams. They're so colorful and beautiful, so that's exciting. We need a little bit of red pepper. We need some garlic cloves, of course the olive oil, obviously the actual spaghetti, and some greens. It's cilantro in my case. All right, so the water is boiling. We're gonna place our spaghetti right into the boiling water, just like that. And we can start prepping the clams. All we need is the drizzle of olive oil, just like this. We need 5 cloves of garlic, just like that. I'm gonna use the ends of our cilantro to add more flavor to it. I'm gonna throw our beautiful clams right into it. And we're gonna add, I'd say 3 ladles of pasta water right into our clams. So I'm gonna close the lid and let them cook for about 5 minutes or until they fully open. And our pasta is ready. It's looking good. We can strain our pasta. Our clams are looking wonderful. The next step is to strain the broth and separate the clams. In the same pan, add a little bit of olive oil and then toss some of the crushed garlic and minced cilantro. Sear them for about a minute to release their flavors. Now we're gonna add our cooked spaghetti into the pan along with the reserved broth. We're gonna mix everything together, let it simmer for about 2 minutes and allow the flavors to melt. Finally, we're gonna add our cooked clams back into the pan. We're gonna give everything a gentle toss to combine and it's ready to serve. All right, well, this is ready. That's all it takes, you guys. So we're gonna plate it and serve it. Okay. There you have it. This delicious spaghetti clams that are sure to impress. I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see. Chef's kiss. These are so delicious. I hope you will give it a try. Thank you so much for joining me on the Up for Dinner. See you next time.